Before you perform the catheter exchange, make sure to separate the device from the tubing of the patient. Press the catheter separation button to start the exchange procedure. Place the catheter to the upper holder point of the support arm. Unscrew the catheter lock and pull the catheter upwards to separate it from the device. Unscrew the aspiration catheter as well by twisting the white plastic connection port counterclockwise. Now you may open a sterile bag and apply a new set of catheters. Place the end of the long catheter on the lower holder point of the support arm. You may connect the long catheter to the device by pushing the end of the aspiration catheter into the central hole of the long catheter. Push the end of the long catheter into the matching holes tightly. Make sure to connect properly by checking the red color alignment indicator. Apply some pressure to the connection port and tighten the catheter lock by twisting it clockwise. Now, press the aspiration catheter exchange button and tap Yes twice to reveal the connection port for the aspiration catheter. Take a new aspiration catheter from a sterile bag. Connect the aspiration catheter to the connection port by twisting the white tip of the catheter clockwise. Make sure the connection is tightened. Press the aspiration catheter exchange button again. The device will automatically pull back the new aspiration catheter. Now, take a new, short catheter from a sterile bag and connect it to the end of the long catheter. Make sure to connect properly by checking the red indication marks. Tighten the connection lock by twisting it clockwise. Flashing bottle indicator means that the container jar is full and has to be exchanged. Unplug the 3 connection ports of the jar. Break off the plastic caps from the side of the bottle cap and use them to seal the jar to prevent contamination. Dispose the jar by taking it out of the plastic bottle. Take a new disposable jar and put it back into the plastic bottle. Connect the jar to the 3 connection ports of the device. The flashing slime bottle indicator means that the slime water bottle is empty. Disconnect the slime bottle from the device. Take a new straw cap from a sterile bag. Put the new straw inside the bottle and tighten the cap. Connect the straw cap to the device. You may also need to change the disinfectant bottle when it is almost empty. The steps are the same for the disinfectant bottle exchange as well. Take out a new straw cap from a sterile bag and put it into the new bottle. Thank you for watching the disposables handling tutorial for the Lmeca suction system.